Hi everyone! Welcome to part 1 of our AWS storage series where we'll dive into fundamentals of cloud storage and focus on Amazon Elastic Block Store or EBS. Cloud storage is more reliable, scalable, and secure than traditional on-premises systems because it leverages distributed architectures and automatic redundancies. It's essential for applications like big data analytics, databases, and backups, enabling seamless data handling across global infrastructures. By the end of this video, you'll understand key storage types and how EBS fits in. Let's get started. AWS offers several storage categories to suit different needs. Instant Store is temporary and tied to your EC2 instance. Great for short-term data like caches or buffers, but it's lost if the instance stops or terminates. EBS provides persistent storage that survives instance stops, making it ideal for long-term data retention. EFS acts like a shared drive for multiple instances across availability zones. S3 is for object-based storage accessible from anywhere via URLs, perfect for web content. And S3 Glacier is designed for archiving rarely accessed data at lower costs. Understanding these helps you choose the right one for cost and performance optimization in your cloud architecture. A key concept is block versus object storage. In block storage like EBS, you can modify just a small part of a file, say one character in a 1 GB file, without rewriting everything. This is efficient for applications requiring frequent random reads and writes. This makes it faster and uses less bandwidth, ideal for databases or file systems where partial updates are common. Object storage like S3 requires updating the whole file, which is better for static data like images or videos, but can be more costly for frequent edits due to higher data transfer. Choose based on your workload to optimize performance, reduce latency, and manage expenses effectively. Now, let's focus on Amazon EBS. It's persistent block storage that you attach to EC2 instances like an external hard drive, ensuring data remains even if the instance is stopped or rebooted. Each volume is replicated in its availability zone for durability and low latency, protecting against hardware failures. You can scale usage up or down in minutes, paying only for what you provision, which allows for flexible resource management. Common uses include boot volumes for EC2, data storage with file systems, database hosting where consistent performance is crucial, and enterprise applications requiring reliable storage. EBS offers volume types to match your needs. General purpose SSD provides balanced price and performance suitable for most applications with burst capabilities up to 3000 IOPS. Provisioned IOPS SSD delivers the highest speed for demanding workloads like large databases, ensuring consistent IOPS regardless of volume size. HDD options are cheaper for non-boot users, ideal for sequential workloads like big data processing. Remember, only SSDs can boot EC2 instances due to their faster access times. EBS shines with features like snapshots for backups. First is a full baseline. Others, incremental for efficiency. Stored durability in S3 for easy restoration. Encryption is built in at no extra cost, covering data in transit between EC2 and EBS as well as at rest on volumes. You can resize volumes dynamically from 50 GB to 16 TB or switch types like HDD to SSD without downtime, supporting growing applications seamlessly. Share snapshots globally for disaster recovery, such as copying from US East to Asia Pacific, enhancing data protection and availability. Pricing for EBS includes volume size in GB per month based on what you provision, regardless of actual usage, so monitor to avoid waste. IOPS are included in general purpose volumes but charged extra for provision types, calculated by IOPS provision time days. Snapshot storage adds cost per GB per month in S3 with incremental savings on changes. Data transfer fees apply for cross-region copies, but intra-region is free. It's complex, so plan based on usage, provision only what you need. To wrap up part 1, EBS provides reliable block storage with options for performance and cost, ensuring high availability through AZ replication. Choose volume types wisely to align with your application's input-output needs and use features like Snapshot for efficient backups and recovery. Stay tuned for part 2 on Amazon S3 for object storage solutions. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.